Sam grew up in a small town. Life was simple there. His family owned a garage. It wasn't much, just a place for folks to get their cars fixed. But for young Sam, it was an adventure.
The clanging of tools, the smell of oil and gasoline, the sight of engines being taken apart and put back together. It all fascinated me.
He spent countless hours in the garage. Sam watched his father, a skilled mechanic, work his magic on all sorts of vehicles.
The garage, though small, was always filled with activity. Farmers brought in their trucks, families their sedans, and the occasional traveler a sputtering motorcycle.
Sam, with his curious eyes and eager hands, was always there to lend a hand. He would fetch tools, hold parts, and soak up every bit of knowledge his father was willing to share.
Those early days in the garage were more than just a childhood pastime for me. They were the foundation of my future.
From a young age, he learned the value of hard work, the importance of precision, and the satisfaction of bringing something broken back to life. The garage was his playground, his classroom, and his sanctuary. It was where his love for mechanics was born and where his journey to becoming an automotive legend began. Sam's father was more than just a mechanic. He was a mentor and an inspiration to his son. He had a way of explaining complex mechanical concepts in simple terms.
He taught him about engines and the importance of proper maintenance.
Sam's father believed in hands-on learning, encouraging Sam to get his hands dirty. This advice guided Sam through countless challenges, pushing the boundaries of automotive mechanics. As Sam grew older, his passion for mechanics only intensified. He excelled in his science and math classes, always eager to learn more about the principles that governed the machines he loved. He devoured books on automotive engineering, spending hours studying diagrams and memorizing specifications. He knew that a solid education would be crucial to his success in the automotive world.
After graduating high school, I enrolled in a technical college, where I pursued a degree in automotive technology. I thrived in the hands-on learning environment, excelling in my shop classes and impressing my instructors with my natural talent and unwavering dedication.
While in college, Sam also took on part-time jobs at local garages and dealerships, eager to gain as much practical experience as possible. He worked on everything from vintage cars to modern trucks, soaking up knowledge from experienced mechanics and honing his skills on a wide range of vehicles.
These early job experiences were invaluable for me. They not only broadened my technical expertise, but also taught me the importance of teamwork, communication, and customer service. Skills that would prove to be just as important as my mechanical abilities as my career progressed.
Section 4, Transformation of the Family Garage from Humble to High-Tech.
After completing my degree, I returned to my hometown with a head full of ideas and a heart full of ambition. I knew I wanted to stay true to my roots, to continue the legacy my father had started in the small-town garage. But I also knew that the automotive industry was changing rapidly. Cars were becoming increasingly complex, with sophisticated electronics and computer systems.
Sam decided to invest in the family business, transforming the humble garage into a state-of-the-art repair shop. He purchased advanced diagnostic equipment, invested in specialized tools, and created a clean, organized workspace that reflected his commitment to quality and precision.
I knew that to compete in the evolving automotive landscape, I needed to embrace new technologies and stay ahead of the curve.
The transformation of the garage was a testament to Sam's vision and his dedication to his craft. It was no longer just a place to get your car fixed. It was a hub for automotive innovation, a place where old-school craftsmanship met cutting-edge technology. Section 5, Innovation and Adaptation, Sam's pursuit of automotive excellence.
My pursuit of knowledge didn't stop with my formal education or the modernization of the garage. I was a lifelong learner, always eager to expand my understanding of automotive technology and to explore new frontiers in the field. I immersed myself in industry publications, attended conferences, and connected with other mechanics and engineers from around the world.
He was particularly fascinated by the growing role of software and electronics in modern vehicles. Sam recognized that the future of automotive repair lay not just in mechanical expertise, but also in the ability to diagnose and repair complex electronic systems.
I taught myself computer programming, spending countless hours poring over code and experimenting with different software applications.
His efforts paid off when he developed an innovative piece of vehicle testing software that streamlined the diagnostic process and allowed him to identify and resolve problems with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The software gained recognition within the industry, and soon other mechanics were seeking him out for his expertise.